What's up, you guys? Matt here with Texas Edge Home Inspections. Today, I want to show you some issues inside of a breaker box, and I want to encourage you that if you want to get any electrical work done around your home, hire a professional electrician. All right, check it out. Okay, listen, I totally understand if you want more outlets in your garage, like more receptacles to plug things in. I totally get that. Some garages don't have enough of them. This is an older house, so it didn't really have much. And you can see, this extension cord being used. We got a power strip back over here. Extension cords are fine to use in the garage. They're not for permanent use or pass-through walls, though. And going back to that permanent use, let me just show you what the other end of this one looks like. So as I stated before, we've got a power strip plugged into a extension cord, but when you follow the extension cord, it goes directly to the breaker box. And what's even worse is they have double tapped the main breaker in order to supply power to it. But wait, it gets worse. There's two different types of wires being used to do this: copper and aluminum. These two things should not be mixed together. All in all, that extension cord is not made for this purpose and should not be tapped into that main breaker. You should never see any double taps. You should never see any mixtures of copper and aluminum together. And furthermore, you shouldn't have an extension cord running directly from a breaker box. Okay, you guys, hire an electrician, but hire me to come inspect your next house, okay? Call me. I'm gonna get after it. Bye now.
Hey you guys, thanks for watching. Please feel free to like and share, and if you'd like to see more of my videos, head on over to YouTube and hit subscribe.